like we're all here.
Sammy, what is this? Your new accessory?
I present to you my new project. And this is the props I need. As of today, I'm a dragon trainer at my own Dragon Academy. Sam's Dragon Academy is the best in the whole world. I mean, it's the only one.
Yay! Sammy is the best dragon trainer ever.
Where are you going? I have things to do here.
I wonder when they'll come back.
Sue, the animals gave me this. That's what you need for the dragons, right?
At this point, yes, but you know it's just the beginning, don't you?
I know that in the end, I will have the coolest students.
I hope you already have a training program prepared.
Sure, I'm responsible.
Be careful. We need your skills for this craft.
I'm a master and I already have my own magic. Dragons and flame give me the fame. Earth and fire, lights I desire. What's wrong with me? Air nice. I'm the biggest surprise. Oh, come on, silly magic. Bring it all back.
Viewers hit play. Hiccups go away.
Maybe it would be better if you hold on to that wand for a while.
Oh, Sammy, I completely forgot I needed the tape.
Don't worry, Sue. This magic hat will definitely help us. Okay, I promise we'll find the tape. What's going on with my magic devices today? It's stuck.
Looks like your hat found the tape after all.
I told you, Sue. My dragon trainer's magic works.
Okay, fine. You were right. Now, let's attach the wand to the base so that everything holds well.
Okay, Sue. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.
I won't. I promise.
With a helper like me, we can make virtually anything. Easy peasy. Like I said, everything turned out great.
Sam, what's that noise? What are you doing there?
Give me a second. I'm almost there. Voila! Now everything is definitely secured.
Well done. Your contribution is invaluable.
Thank you, Sue. You know I love being praised.
And we did it without any magic of yours. Look, Sammy, your students are almost ready.
Is it just me or is there something obviously missing? Well, of course. Well, this won't do. I know. I'll be right back. Ladies and gentlemen, today you'll see a fashion show from me, Slime Sam.
My favorite part. And what's the occasion this time?
My students deserve a stylish trainer. In feathers and a hat, for example. Or would it be better if I was chill and calm?
You look great in everything, really.
But you certainly didn't expect this. Haute couture cape, purple paper.
Oh, this is exactly what I need.
Hey! It's mine!
Sorry, Sammy. I wanted to be the first to have this couture cape.
Okay, I'll take that as a compliment. I forgive you.
And here is your first student, Sammy. What do you say?
Hello, my friend. I've been waiting for you. Maybe I can... The higher the climb, the more painful the fall.
Oh, poor thing. You okay?
The only thing that can help me is a sandwich.
Fine. Go grab a bite. Just don't linger.
You won't even notice my absence. I could have eaten a couple more. Oopsie.
It's okay. You've just eaten your sandwich too fast.
Well, of course. This is brilliant. What dragons do? That's right. They burp fire. Do you get it?
I'm not sure if it's the same thing, but I like the idea.
Ooh, my second student is on the way.
That's right. Just a couple more details. And our second little dragon is ready.
Don't forget the most important thing, wings.
Right. Oh, what would I do without you? Well, this one turned out pretty cute, don't you think?
Cute? Look how menacing they look. My little dragons.
It looks like they're hungry.
Then this plant will be feeling unhealthy for them.
Are you sure dragons like plants?
Let's find that out. Come on, guys. It's so delicious. Yum, yum. Ah! We're under attack.
Oh, thank you, sweetie. Sammy, you can go out now.
I'll take it away. just in case.
And here's the last dragon. Come meet them.
Purple dragon, orange dragon, and green dragon. All beautiful and ready for the training.
Okay, now we'll build a playground for Sammy's students. It will be easier to train them this way.
My boys are gonna need areas for rest, flying lessons, security. Duh! Ow!
Wow, you came up with so many different activities for them.
We'll have a contest on who sleeps the longest in a lava bed. And who can eat the most meat.
Wow, sounds interesting. Although, I'm not sure why we need to hold these contests in the first place.
I forgot, we will also have a juggling training. Okay guys, lesson 1. Try and hold this still. Whoopsie.
Sammy, are you sure dragons need to be able to juggle at all?
I don't know, but I'm sure it'll be fun. Oh?
Of course. That's your first rule after all.
But we won't forget about real school at the academy, too. Here's my second rule. Little fun, then lots of study.
Sammy, what are you doing?
But after you've studied, don't forget to have fun again.
Oh, as always, you have brilliant ideas.
I know, and I have lots of them.
Right. Now, we will put it all together and tighten it to make sure the base for our catapult is strong. And then we'll secure it here.
Here's what's most important for a dragon trainer. Dragon potion to be strong and brave.
Holy cannoli! Sammy, what kind of potion is this?
Dragon potion, Sue. It's magical. And this is another magical artifact of all dragon trainers.
Oh, it's just what I need.
It's my precious.
Sam, it's just a lid. Give it to me, please.
No, it's magical. You don't get it.
Okay, Sammy, I have something even better.
Don't tell me it's a magical chocolate egg. Gimme, gimme.
That was very easy, wasn't it?
Okay, guys. There might be a situation where you will need a catapult. You just need to put it like this. Aim and...
Oh, poor thing. Let me help you. How convenient you find everything I need today. And this goes here. Perfect.
Sue, you did a great job. Wow! But we nearly forgot the most important thing.
This will be in the middle, so everyone can see it's your academy. You never know. Maybe someone forgot.
I'm sure it's impossible. We won't let that happen.
And here are your dragon students.
All right, let's see what I taught you. Yay, bravo. Well done, guys. You're the best. Good evening, dear ladies. No, dear all. Ugh, I don't like it.
Sammy, everything will be fine.
Dear all, I want to thank everyone who came here today. I want to ceremoniously present these diplomas to my wonderful students. The best graduates of my academy.
Yay! Guys, you're the best. I second that.
Oh, I'm so proud.
Friends, thanks for being with us today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel. See you soon.
Sam, what's all this? Why did you leave so much trash around?
Sue, you'll scare it off.
Who are you talking about?
This is no trash, but a bait for a monster that eats trash.
Huh, do you really think that if you catch it, there won't be any need to clean up?
Yes!
I don't like this idea, and I also think that you have to clean it up without pushing this responsibility onto others.
Whatever, Sue. Go away and don't distract me from hunting.
Huh? Ugh, well, fine.
Guys, soon you will witness how I, Sam, will become the first slime who caught the trash-eating monster. So, if you don't want to miss the new video, then hit the bell button. It's right there. Okay, let's get back to business.
Oh, that Sam made all this mess here, and I'll be the only one to clean it up as always. Oh, hi guys, it's you I've been looking for. I decided to teach Sam a lesson and make a monster-like trash can from this colored cardboard, and you can help me with that. If he comes here, don't say a word.
Aha! Here you are. What are you doing here?
I wanted to decorate my flower pots. Do you want to help me?
No, I don't care about your flowers, but I am out of paper for the bait. Can you lend me some cardboard?
Take as much as you need.
Thanks. You will be super grateful when I catch the monster.
Yeah, of course. Guys, we need these cuts to make our big sheet flexible and to bend it easily, like this. Now we need to make teeth. This way, we'll also separate our trash can into two parts. The upper part will become the lid, and the lower one will serve for storing trash. I did great! So fast and easy. I wish everything worked like this. We also need these cardboard circles, 3 of them in total.
Oh, gee. I got really tired sitting in the ambush. Sue, are you still cutting out your silly flower pots? Do you want to sit in the ambush for me?
No way! I'm not as good at hunting as you are.
I hear sarcasm in your voice. Just wait and you will see soon. Guys, do you also think that Sue is plotting something? If you do, then comment below.
Guys, remember that you promised not to tell anything. Oh, I can't wait to see Sam's face when this monster comes at him. So, we glue the circle with the cutout square to the lower part of our trash can. Note that the cut should be on this side. We only need to keep it a secret from Sam, or we won't teach him a lesson. You will keep silent, won't you? By the way, guys, remember that you have to be careful with hot glue in order not to get burned. Now we glue it nicely right here.
Aha! What's going on here?
Oh, well, the flower pot came out quite ugly, so I decided to throw it away.
I'm not surprised. This is all because I wasn't here with you. Then what's all this?
This is a different decoration. See these teeth? They'll serve as grass around the pot. I just need to color it green. Since you are the greatest artist, do you mind helping me?
Thank you, but not today. I have an important task. So I need to go. I can't waste time on your project. Oh, take this. I'm pretty sure that soon I'll catch that monster. I'll catch the monster. Won't need to clean up ever.
I think someone is in serious trouble. Phew, look at him. He keeps making a huge mess out there. And when it comes to cleaning, he finds 1,000 excuses not to do it. Ugh. Jeez, I need to calm down. Just breathe, Sue, in and out. So now we need a hinge to hold the lid of our trash can. We'll make it from a piece of a thick straw and a chopstick. It's necessary to find a fitting straw diameter so it can be moved around easily. We want to secure things very well, so use lots of glue. I already see Sam promising to do anything to be safe from the monster, like clean the mess. Don't forget to glue everything on the inside as well, just like this. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel too. Hit that bell button so you don't miss any new videos. And now, we will need 4 30-centimeter long rulers. That's how it should look like. It's necessary for the lid opening mechanism. I have to admit that crafting without Sam is no fun. He's always acting silly, but at the same time, helps a lot. Guys, do you have someone to have fun with? Write in the comments below. I'm sure you craft not only with your friends, but also with your parents, brothers, or sisters. I hope we make up with Sam soon. We're such a good team, though sometimes he's absolutely intolerable. But first, I need to teach him a lesson.
Oh, guys, the monster isn't here yet. I guess he isn't coming at all. I'm afraid Sue will make me clean up all the mess I made. But if I catch the monster, Sue will be pleased with me. No time to sit around. I need to act.
Look, I attached a wire here so our construction moves properly. Now I will glue it to the circle. There we go. But I guess it might be a little challenging to work with the wire, so ask an adult to help you. Now it's time for the big ruler. It will connect to the pedal and the lid. So we're almost at the finish line. Let's glue the bottom carefully so that the ruler enters the square opening and this part comes out from here. This will actually be our pedal. We'll push it to open the lid. And don't worry about the decoration. We'll do it a little bit later. Here we attach the lid holder so the lid can be opened. Or in our case, it will open our monster's mouth. Oops, Sam is coming. Guys, do you remember that you have to keep our secret?
Sue, what are you doing now? Did you finish your flower pots?
Sure I did. And now what was I doing? Oh, right, I'm drawing. La da 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 da. Ooh, these are some beautiful circles.
Huh, you're acting strange today. I wanted to ask you to help me, but I see that you better have some rest. It seems that Sue's kind of sick. If you know what kind of disease it is, comment below. I hope it's not contagious.
Phew, I was about to tell him everything. Good job, guys. Hang on a little more. Whoa, we only have the pedal left. Here, I'll cheat and use some magic. 1, 2, 3. This is so exciting! Woohoo! And now we get to the best part. Monster decoration. Just look at these scary and dangerous teeth and angry eyes with bushy eyebrows, plus some antennas for interstellar connection. Sammy, now you'll get your just dessert.
Phew, I'm so tired of sitting here. Plus, Sue is acting very weird today. Are you sure nothing's wrong? Oh, I hear noises. What's going on? Oh, wait the noise! Sue, is that you? Tell me it's you. Help me, the monster's here! Sue, where are you? I'm sorry. Save me! Sue, save
The trash is a little dry. Would be nice to snack on a tasty slime.
I'm not tasty. They're so deep to eat me.
Will you be making more mess?
No, never again.
Now you got what you deserve, little coward.
It was you? So the monsters aren't real?
Nope, I just made these monster trash cans together with our viewers. Thank you guys that you didn't tell Sam my secret.
Wow, this looks awesome. Great job.
If you like it, then help me to clean up. You promised not to make mess anymore.
Oh, well, okay. Sue, since we have 3 trash cans, maybe we can do separate trash collection.
Sure we can. I even made special signs. One monster is for plastic, the other one for paper, and the third one for metal waste.
Phew, I think I'm done. These were the last ones.
Good job, Sam. You think you could keep things clean now?
Sure, I'll try to keep things cleaner. Sue, guys, did you know what I understood just now? Trash-eating monsters do really exist. Here are 3 of them. All came on their own.
Oh, Sammy, I made those with our viewers.
So what? I was looking for monsters and I found them. It means that the mission is complete and I became the greatest hunter in the world.
You are the greatest, Bragg. Let's say bye to our viewers.
Bye, guys. Subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell button.